Okay, now let me quickly show you how to make use of the auto forwarder app, the bot. So if you open your auto forwarder bot, it's going to come up, it's going to open up this way, right? It's going to open up this way. So the first thing you're going to be looking at is to create what? A task. But first of all, let me try to delete one of these tasks. Let me delete one of these tasks so that we can be able to create a new one. So let me just delete this one. Delete. Okay, that's okay now. So you look here, you're going to be seeing create task here. So that's what you're going to be clicking. So click on create task. It's going to take you to where you're going to be seeing all the contacts and all the channels you have on your Telegram. So what we are more focused on is channel, right? So click on channel. Then you search for the channel you want to copy signal from. If you can't find it, you can easily type the name here. Let me say I'm going to be using Kojo Forex for instance. Now click on that channel and click on the next step. Now the channel that you want to forward to, remember the first one you selected was the channel source, the one that is supposed to forward signal to you. Now click on this channel and then click on and search for the channel you want to send your signal to. So you click on this TM daily signal. Let me just use that as an example. Then click on next. Then you can now select task name. Let me see the task name. Let me just input anything basically, but make sure it's a kind of name that is accepted. Then as you can see now, you notice that here you have the source channel, you see from source, and you have the target channel. So the source channel is the channel you want to copy from, and the target channel is your own channel that you want the signals to go into. So as you can see for yourself. Then create a task. So the task has been created. So let's say you want to do some series of modifications on it, maybe some kind of particular messages you don't want inside your own Telegram channel. You go to if you look at here, there are features that you can actually follow. Maybe you want to add a header, you want to add a footer, watermark and all that. But what we are focused on is how to remove some messages. Let's say some signal groups will be sending to book a one-on-one training. Click the link or send me direct message, or they'll say to gain access to the VIP, click on link and then to go to the VIP. Now this is what you do. You look at this blacklist here. Click on this blacklist and then you blacklist all the kind of text that you don't want inside that your own Telegram channel. Like you can blacklist VIP, then any message you send that contains VIP will not drop. Blacklist mentorship, any message you send that contains mentorship will not drop. So follow it up like that and blacklist all the kind of messages you know that yes, it's going to take them out of your channel into their own. So you can blacklist link also and all that. Any message that contains link, blacklist it. So after that, make sure every time you are checking, like every day basically, you're checking that this start and stop task is always what in place. You get it? Make sure it's always checked on, because if it's not on, there are chances that signals could be dropping and then you are not getting it. So just make sure every day if you wake up in the morning, check the status, make sure it's on. Do you get? And once it's on, you are good to go. So you're going to have access to a lot of features as a first time user though, that you can enjoy it. But then just in case you need to roll over and maybe subscribe again for further access, I think it's not expensive. I think it's like from around maybe 1,000 something, 3,000 or so. I think the highest is 9,000 something. So you can check that out for yourself for the premium version of it. So this is how you use an auto forwarder. So this is going to help you even when you don't have the strength, or maybe you don't have the knowledge to generate signals, or maybe to trade and share signals. This will help you, but make sure the signal source you are using is well tested and you know that yes, they are doing very well. Their number of wins are higher than of losses. Then you can now connect it. So it is the whole process. You will not even work. You just have to be maybe just connect it and then move around, and signal drop to your clients and then they trade. Do you get it? So that's just a simple way. Okay. So this is not needed. So let me just delete this one.